welcome back to my channel. We're now in part 2 of day 2 in Madrid in Spain. I've changed lenses. I've got the Canon M50 Mark II and I've put on it the Sigma 56mm. This is my favourite street photography lens, so we're going to see what shots we can get with this one today. So now I've changed lenses, I just need to get some warm-up shots, and actually this shot is one of my favourites of the day, believe it or not. So now I'm just going to use the lines on the road and the fence as a leading line for this taxi coming past. And then I didn't have time to change my settings to get motion blur for this one, but I'm really happy with that shot of the biker. And then we've got the scooter coming along, so I didn't really have a lot of time to think or change any settings here, but really happy with the results. Now ahead of me I can see this yellow letterbox or post box, and I just wanted a character to go next to it. It's a shame she was walking the other way, but I'm pretty happy with the contrast that I got there. And then we've just got somebody sitting on their own looking at their phone, and I thought this would take a nice shot. A mother looking on her phone. It never changes, does it? And then this looked like a sort of character I wanted to get a photo of. Oh, it's on his phone. It's never ending. I think I might go out one day with the project of taking photos of people without phones. And this character on the left hand side, he looked interesting. He was just sitting there reading. And here I've crossed the road because I just want to get these people walking past this particular shop. So I thought that made a nice colourful shot there. And then because I've got the 56mm, I'm just looking up the road, quite like that building on the corner, and you can just see life going on along this particular street. And I love the background here, so I just needed somebody to walk past, and this girl came past and got that shot. Now what I saw here was this girl, her shoes were one red, one black, which matched her shirt and trousers, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then waiting to cross this road, I could see that building that had obviously been half of it knocked down, but it was just so yellow and bright. I just had to get a look up shot of this one from where I was standing. And now we've got a leading line going across the road. I should get lower really, but I do find it difficult these days to get lower, but the crossing leads across to the other side. And then shots like this, I love this because it's like a frame and you've got a picture in the middle. It's just a tapas bar, but it's a shot I was really pleased with. And then again, I loved this look up shot. We've got a picture at the top of somebody looking out the window, and it looked really, really good there. Now I'm just waiting for a couple of characters to walk past, so I've got them framed in the restaurant door. So I've got one there, and then we've got another one just coming up. There we go. and I loved the colour of this scooter. Just had to get a shot of this. Really vibrant orange colour and shiny. And then we've got a couple of characters on the right hand side here. And then again, I've just come across a motorbike that looked really good. I've put this into black and white because it's really contrasty and looks really good. And I loved the way that shadow was being created by the canopy and somebody walking through just on the edge of that shadow. And you will have noticed I've actually changed my lens now to the 22mm. All these characters had hats on, so I thought that'd take a nice shot as they're walking through the shadow. I've changed to the 22mm because we're in more narrower streets and I just wanted to get more of the scenes in. And again, got a nice building there, a lot of colour in Madrid. And this is just a street shot scene on an outside cafe, which gives you an idea of life in Madrid. Then I love this shot with the colourful shop on the right hand side and somebody standing outside with bikes. And again, we've got another leading line going across the road. And again, I've got another one of the bus coming through here using the fence and the road as the leading lines. Going up to the bus. And this chap on the left, he just looked an interesting character. He's got one of his trouser legs up high and one down low. It just looked an interesting shot. We've got another leading line here. And so we're coming to the end of my trip to Spain in Madrid. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.